need to rebush the whole thing. That's why I needed to learn this. You remind me of a detective.
Columbo, absent-minded.
Sure. Take one more piece. Run them both through. That's fine already. All right, so let's run these through. And I need somebody young like Yijong to do this. I'm sure they make them hydraulic. We have the manual one. If I put what I want in there and then run this up until it touches the brad.
Most of the time that we spend in our program is in a large piano shop in the basement of the conservatory. It's quite large. We can work on very comfortably 5 restoration projects at a time.
The phrase home away from home might be appropriate for the shop setting here at Oberlin. It really is a place where the collaboration is much more family-like.
If you have 8 people to 10 people working in the same place every day, they get to know each other quite well. They help each other out quite often with questions they have. They're very interested in problem solving.
I really love working with the mechanical aspects of the piano and the woodworking aspects of the piano. It's almost like even tuning, it's like a game kind of, like playing chess. You're really thinking in multiple dimensions. How do I get all of these notes to fit together?
Here you can really explore what you want to and develop at your own pace.
We can use our hand to learn more in tuning, regulation, and rebuilding. It's like the magic to me.